Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the project called Langoon, a language learning mobile app designed for students and professionals who want to learn a new language. Let's begin with our primary persona. This is Laila, a 25 years old flight attendant. She is from Oman and her native language is Arabic. However, she also speaks English, Spanish and Chinese. She is fun-loving, busy and independent woman who loves to travel internationally and wants to communicate with the people in their native language to feel more comfortable and confident with them. She prefers learning by desktop and laptop because she can make notes on it easily. Using her phone means a lot to her for social interactions. She enjoys Duolingo app because it has game-like feeling, pictures, interesting questions, and reward system, which she liked the most. Now, let's discuss about the problem context and problem statement. Laila does not want to feel pressured. That's why she wants the lesson to be in the form of game or quiz that she can enjoy for a bit and learn at the same time. Laila needs a way to learn conversational language in the form of short summarized lessons in gaming format along with taking notes so that she will not feel pressured while learning and could learn in an easier and interesting way. Her major challenges are lack of motivation, inconvenience, lack of time, lack of control, and bit overwhelming. Laila wants to see the progress and rewards while studying so that she can stay motivated and continue studies. She does not want to go through all the steps or levels which she does not need or already know so that she can just enjoy for a bit and learn at the same time. She wants quick and helpful conversational lessons so that she could feel that she achieved something in her time constraint. She wants to learn in an uninterrupted and more user-controlled way to continue her interest in study. She wants to learn through short and summarized lessons to keep her interested and have fun while learning. These are my early stage low fidelity paper prototypes. The application starts with a splash screen followed by login screen. On login screen, the new users can also sign up or continue to the home screen without login or sign up at this time. We don't want to restrict the users to browse our app and its basic features. From home screen, they will click on Learn Words as first step to start their learning process towards learning new vocabulary words. The user will select desired category, for example, education. Then the user will select words type, for example, basic words. Then the user will continue to level 1. Now the user starts learning words with their meaning, examples and pronunciation. After completing the level 1, either the user can take the quiz or revise the level 1 or may proceed directly to the level 2. The user takes the quiz and submit for the result. Then the user is presented with the result screen from where either proceed to level 2 or may take the quiz again. Now the user wants to do conversation with other users. The user can join existing group or can create a new group. When the user clicks plus icon, they need to fill the group information. After creating the group, now the user can invite other people to join their group. The user can select people to join their group and press Start button to start the conversation. This is a conversation screen where the user can initiate chatting with others. Now let's say the user wants to do conversation with other users by joining an existing group. The user clicks the existing group name. The group info opens up and user click on join button. Then the user starts chatting with others. The purpose of this test is to do the assessment of how our target audience navigate and perform certain functionality of our application Langoon. Our test plan had these 4 goals. Learn vocabulary words and choose categories. At home screen, there are different options to learn. I wanted to see if user needs to learn some educational related words, so how they will proceed in this app. Check progress. I tested if the user understand how to check the progress of the words which they have learned so far within the selected category. Take quiz to test the knowledge in a level they have just completed. Wanted to check, was the quiz path clear enough to the user? Was the user satisfied with the method of testing their skills? Navigating between the different process of conversation. Check if the user understand the part of the conversation and also they understand there are 2 options to do the conversation. First, add new group, and second, join existing group. I wanted to see if the user can switch between them with ease. These are things which didn't work. On education screen, user was expecting much more, like they want to see how many total words are in each category and also how much total time it will take to complete each category, which would be good for prepare mindset of the user as they can plan accordingly. User was confused to check the progress as they were expecting the progress bar at home screen, in user profile or in hamburger menu. On quiz results screen, user was expecting much more as they were expecting to see the wrong answers and what are the right answers so that they can easily revise for future. On conversation screen, user was confused by the group info arrow. It looks like a play button or forward button to them. On invite people screen, user was confused by the people info arrow. Same here, it looks like a play button or forward button to them. Based on findings, we improvised the screens with following updates. On the home screen, under the user profile, I added progress bar, rewards and profile. On education screen, I added estimated time, number of levels and total number of words at each level. On quiz results screen, I created quiz results bar along with 3 buttons. Take quiz again, view answers and go to level 2. On conversation screen, I removed more info arrow and underneath the group name, I added group info expanded at the same screen. On invite people screen, I removed more info arrow and underneath the person icon, I added person info expanded at the same screen. During the usability testing process, I learned following pros and cons. Pros. This exercise helps to validate whether the design matches the user mental model or not. We can improve our design by usability testing. The try-fail exercise creates space for learning and improvement. It brings feeling of happiness when the iteration works. We can't create our final design in the first attempt. Now the cons. During paper prototyping, feels annoying at times. Availability of users is sometimes challenging. Sometimes it's hard to read the user's mind. Sometimes we choose inappropriate user who might not be helpful. Sketching paper prototyping is challenging as we can't show everything, especially for a mobile screen. Thank you very much for taking the time today to hear about Langoon, a language learning mobile application. And I can't wait to show you what's next. Thank you.